Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Mitsubishi Outlander, stock number 6445. This ran from 11th 2006 to the 10th 2012. It has a 4B12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a CVT automatic transmission. This is the 4B12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door one dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door one dent and small crease, right front door mirror, right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy slip, sunglass holder, the front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,